Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to unlock the bootloader on your Xiaomi Redmi or POCO device but you're having trouble getting the unlock permission, then this video is for you. As many of you already know, Xiaomi has made the bootloader unlock process much more difficult. Sometimes the permission doesn't get approved because of server load, timing issues, or other temporary restrictions. That's where I can help. I provide bootloader, unlock assistance for users who want to unlock their devices and install, custom ROMs, root with Magisk or kernel-issue, or simply unlock their phone's full potential. Here are the basic requirements. Your Xiaomi account should be at least 30 days old. You'll need to provide your Xiaomi account during the permission process. 50% payment before the process, and the remaining amount after the permission step is completed. The permission request is processed during Xiaomi's official unlock window. In rare cases, if Xiaomi servers are overloaded or there's a temporary issue, we'll simply try again during the next available attempt. I've already unlocked my own device and have successfully helped many users through the same process. If you're interested, just send me a message on Telegram. Telegram username, @. I'll explain everything step by step and guide you throughout the entire process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.